All right. Zari and Shakib are in Zanzibar. After spending Christmas in Kampala, I'm really going to be bringing you how Zari spent her Christmas time in Kampala with Shakib, Tifa, and Nilan, and the rest of the people down there. They said, let's obviously take a week off in Zanzibar without Tifa, without Nilan, because Zari knows to it that each and every time you travel with Tifa, she is really an attention seeker. She really wants attention. She has that attention seeking syndrome, and she cannot really allow them enjoy themselves in peace. And they are in Zanzibar, and this is the first day, and they've been there for very many days. I'm going to be bringing you content after content on what they're really doing in Zanzibar. And this time around, I have to obviously drop you this video of Zari and Shakib enjoying life in Zanzibar. They're really looking good, and Zari is really looking like she's really enjoying her holiday as she charges up for a busier into her schools and influencing business. Rokan David is my name. East Africa Social Television is the YouTube channel. Allow me to drop you this video of Zari Hassan as she obviously enjoys Zanzibar with Shakib. Remember, Diamond has been out. Diamond has been out. He had flown to Ivory Coast for sure and is back. And I anticipate that maybe Nilan and Tifa might join Diamond Platnumz very soon. So we are waiting to see what is really going to transpire in a nick of time. Here we go to Zari and Shakib enjoying life or eating life with a big spoon in Diamond Platnumz country. Bye-bye.
Banga, dance from your head to your toe. No more I don't do, it's a my piano, 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 piano. Ooh, banga, dance from your head to your toe. No more I don't do, it's a my piano. I've into your ways, I might leave it saying you are my mama. Are you for sure? Are you ready? Oh la la la, baby you. Oh my gosh. Oh la la la. Baby you. But I'm originally. Come let you talk to swim.
It's my love and my love is your love. Okay, come. It's a video.
What?
It's your birthday, girl. Listen, so beautiful out here. Let me show you.
In a bante Uganda, one
Going down.
okay. Mchana chiwala, mchana chiwala ngacheri tikula. Mchana chiwala cheri tikula ngachingirira. Mchana chiwala ndabatingirira.
Agambia atya.
Mchana chiwala tikola biri cheri tikula. Hulira kambele mazita wogobele studenti. Kubuze bibuzo bikule mikuli obuti. Awotenge kutwale kendo.
Keisha Cloud, we miss you. Nenga sunscreen konga kankozeko. Ne focus yandi badde.
Roma amuza yangambye gwamanyo kufumba emere ya wanoroko osike kijanjalo ne gaza bosi nalowooza nti yonkoko inya ku muti olina gwa koko tula waggulu ku nsigo
Sophia. Baby, my kibwe. That's so beautiful. My husband is going to die. Oh my god, there's divers. Not my lashes, not my wig. Sorry. I'm a girly girl. Not my lashes. I'm not snorkeling. This is beautiful. Look at them. Look at them. It's so nice. It's so nice. Look at them. Uyo atunonyeza starfish azijja.
Basura muno bidole byabwe. Nabyogedde jehulu.
Oyawuga. Oyali mukuwuga.
Ndaba bidwe checho.
Kera nabituleetamu.
Bane leka tulabe obugulu. Bane ekikyo.
Kale ekyo.
Watunda obugulu.
Penzi langu limetanda bui.
I go really fast. Oh, we're going to the market. Hot.
Well, you've seen Zari eating life with a big spoon in Diamond Platnumz country with Shakib in there for you in a place that is known as Zanzibar. So I call upon for your reactions into the comment section below about Zari and Shakib, obviously on a holiday in Zanzibar. What has caught your mind? What haven't you gonna hit like about their tour? All that and more into the comment section below. Rock and David is my name. I'm out.